Hey guys, this is June because I was born in June. Welcome to my amazing tutorial today. So for my tutorial today, I'm going to teach you how to set up your OBS Studio in order to do like self-recording yourself as well as for your laptop screens or Windows screen as well as a newbie. So I actually been taking about 2 to 3 hours to play around this OBS. It will look very technical, but then if let's say you follow through my step-by-step guideline in setting up, you will be in good hands. So let's dive in. So in order to do recording, firstly, you must have the OBS Studio. So you can go to www.obsproject.com. It is free to download OBS, so feel free to actually pick one of it in order to download this to your laptop. And then once it's done so, when you open up the OBS, it will look super technical just like this. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through on how to set them up very easily. But before that, I want to let you guys know that currently this is what you are going to see when you have this preview and program. Okay, do not worry so much about preview and program. What you need to know is that whatever that is being recorded on the OBS is actually on the program. Okay, and everything is on the program, whichever view that you're watching. So right now, when you open up the OBS Studio, the first thing you need to set up is actually at the settings. So just go to step one, just go to File, Settings, okay? And after you go to the settings, I want you to go to the output. I want you to make sure that over here is actually put at software x264. Okay, by default, when you are just downloaded OBS, the default it should be NVENC hardware. Same thing as these two sites. But what you need to do is that I want you to change them to software x264. Otherwise, you're going to receive a notification when you're trying to do recording saying that there is some a little bit NVENC kind of hardware or device problem, which is not the case. So the workaround solution, you just need to go to output, make sure this encoder is at software x264 as well as at recording encoder as software x264. After you've done that, just click apply and click OK. So the next thing you need to do is just to set it up your scenes and your sources. So the scenes, okay, let's be realistic. Most of us we are recording, it's either we are recording our laptop screens or maybe on top it will be our face inside it to talk to ourselves, right? And when we are walking through others in our tutorial videos. So the first thing you need to make sure is that you're adding the scenes, okay? So very simple, you just click this add button, just name the scenes to whichever you like. It doesn't matter. Like for me, I just added one scene that I rename it as laptop capture because it means that I'm capturing the whole laptop of all the screens that I have. The second thing is that you need to set up the sources. So scenes is just like when you're in a movie, it's like a movie scenes. In the movie scenes is as well, you have like different sources. For example, you have a webcam. You need to add a webcam. And then secondly, you need to add an audio source. Where does my sound coming from? So you need to add source. And the third one, if let's say you want to, you need to add your windows or like your display screen capture. So let's first set up a webcam. So all you need to do is just to right click or you can click this plus button. And then I want to add my webcam. So it's a video capture device. Okay, this is my junlow.co external. It's my external webcam. I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so my external webcam, this is my external webcam. So I'm adding this source, right? So let's see. Okay, once I added, you just need to pick the external webcam, which is right now C922 Pro. Okay, and then next thing I want you to make sure it's as custom. You pick the resolution as custom, and resolution just pick 1920 times 1080. And then I'm set to go. So can you see there are two of me? And right now I'm setting this webcam as actually at this OBS Studio. Okay. Oh, wow. I really love the color. Okay. The next thing you need to set up is actually the audio. Where do you get the audio? Just click plus and then just click audio input and capture. Okay. So, and then click OK. And then for me, I'm picking at the C922 Pro, which is same as my webcam. And I just click OK. So right now I have the audio, I have the webcam. I still need to have like my screen capture, right? So I'm just going to add additional one. Okay. There is a differences between display capture in OBS Studio as well as Windows capture. So for display capture, it means that the entire every screen in your laptop, no matter which screen you are on. So that's why it's the entire thing. It's display capture. Okay, so you just click entire screen. Let's say it's entire screen. Okay, when I pick OK, you can then pick just click OK. So right now, can you see that there are few stuff? One is the entire screen, okay? One is webcam. But I want you to make sure, if let's say you want to have your record yourself on top of your entire screen, you need to move this webcam to the top. Can you see that? And because I'm actually having like the entire thing, right? I need to just shorten it to just me. And you can move me at the corner, it's here. Where you want to move also can, no problem. Okay? So far, I hope that you guys are so good. Okay, the next thing you need to do is just to make a transition. Okay, just to make a transition, because as I told you guys, this is what is being recorded on your OBS Studio. And then once it's fine, everything is looping well, then the next thing you need to do is just to hit the record button. Okay, let's assume that I'm starting to record. Voila, voila. So if let's say during the recording you still want to enlarge of your whatever you're on the face, right? You just need to make sure this is happening, or anything that you want to adjust. Okay, just to slide this as a transition. Okay, so right now I'm going to start recording at OBS Studio. Okay, so the final results, let's have a look. You just need to go to File. To get the video, you just need to go to Show Recording. Okay, and then voila, this is the file that we just recorded just now. Okay, then you should be, oh, I think it's the other file. Yeah, I think it's this file. You should be able to see the entire screen and everything. So the file is over there. So it is how it's so simple to actually set up the OBS Studio from step-by-step guide. So if let's say you have any question down below, feel free to actually put your comment or put your question down below. I'm happy to help you out because I spent about 3 hours to play this stuff, so I know a little bit about it. I wouldn't say I'm like a pro, but at least this will help you to get started. As well, if let's say you like my channel, feel free to subscribe my channel down below. Okay, just hit the notification bell button so that the next time I go online, you'll be notified as well. If let's say you're watching from Facebook, remember to also follow me so that next time when I go live, you'll also receive a notification in your Facebook app as well. And also, if let's say you are first-time entrepreneurs, solo entrepreneurs, you are probably doing everything by yourself, which you do not have to do so. That's why I have already crafted a free 10 pages of ebook to teach you how you can hire your first virtual assistant so efficiently and so effectively. I have compiled my learning experience into a step-by-step guideline, which you can get it in my free ebook. I'm going to put the link down below. You can check the description box or in the Facebook comments. Okay, so also not to forget to ask you to join my Facebook group. You can go to www.amazingstory.co in order to join my Facebook group so that you can keep on to have to interact with us in the community. If let's say you like this video, please help me to like, comment, or share this video, and I hope that this helped you guys a lot. All right, take care then. Take care. Bye.